Welcome to the demo of our small voice transcriber app. This app creates a user interface using tkinter library, which is just a basic GUI creation library. Nowadays, better libraries are available. Okay, and it uses openAI's Whisper model at the back end. So, if we examine the code first, then here, if you see this, then client equals OpenAI, API key equals config.api key. So my API key is stored in a separate config.py file here on the left side, but it is never hard coded in the main app's code. That is always a good practice, so that whenever we share our app with others or upload it on GitHub or anywhere, then this config file which contains your real API key should not be given to others, because it is charged $20 per month. Okay, and based on the tokens, the limit is imposed. So here we import OpenAI config.py file, tkinter, and there is a file dialog box which will open the file. Now how the app will run? So when we run the app, a window will open. That window will be titled audio transcription app. Then another text window will be created. That text window will show the output of the text which is generated from the audio. Okay, and a button simple will be there which will be labeled select audio file. So this is how the whole app will run. Now there is only one function, transcribe audio, and it is also very simple. There is file path, file type is audio file, and for simplicity I have taken MP3 only, but one can take other file types, MP4 and others. And audio file is given as a file path because I have here one folder audio files, and inside that audio files there are two audio files. Okay, so here file types are audio files, and file path we will separately give here. So file equals this. Okay, so if file path is correct, then open the file path and in read binary format and generate the transcript using Whisper-1 model of openAI, and store that transcript as a text file or display that transcript as a text file in that separate window which was created for displaying the output. These are just exception and error handling for gracefully handling some unwanted or maybe unpredictable inputs or other events. So it is a very simple app. Let's run it. When you run, a uh, new uh, what you say dialog box is created, and there you can just click on this button, select audio file, and here I select the first file, Apple. So as soon as I upload that file, within a fraction of second, its oh, transcription text form of that audio that is generated. It reads. MacBook laptops are known for their modern design and high quality build, offering seamless experience. They are favored by many professionals and creators for their powerful performance and integration with Apple's ecosystem. I will make you hear the actual audio file. Okay, let me make you hear that audio file. So it is here. Uh, I don't know it is visible. I think it is not visible on your window. So let me make my Windows Explorer. Yeah, now it is visible. So in my audio files folder in my Gen AI project, here this Apple is there. I am clicking on it, and hopefully the audio which will play on my PC, that will be recorded with this video which is being recorded on OBS Studio, and you will be able to hear it. MacBook laptops are known for their modern design and high-quality build, offering a seamless experience. They are favored by many professionals and creators for their powerful performance and integration with the Apple's ecosystem. Okay, so you might have heard that I can once again play this time with VLC player, so slightly louder. MacBook laptops are known for their modern design and high-quality build, offering a seamless experience. They are favored by many professionals and creators for their powerful performance and integration with the Apple's ecosystem. Okay. Now let me close this Explorer, and again, still my app is running, so you can make my app the focus of yes. And this time I will select another audio file, that is this German. It is in German language, but Whisper will automatically detect the language, and it will create text transcription of German audio into German text. Now I cannot make you hear this because I myself don't know that German language. But the point is, whatever language audio is, same language output is generated, and this can have so many applications. For example, call center employees are trained on the call recordings of conversations with customers, and at that time such transcriptions can be very helpful for designing trainer manuals. Educators or YouTubers have to provide subtitles, and often the Google's ability to generate subtitle is good for English, but other languages it may not be so good. So you can upload your own subtitle file. One more application which is very important to my mind is in the medical field. Data science is used less in the medical field because of one big reason, that there is very little written records, so digital records, that is, because most of the time doctors do not have time to become tech savvy and type everything, or even their helpers. Their schedule is so hectic, and nurses are running, junior doctors are running with them. So this can be handy thing, that take a Wi-Fi Bluetooth mic and attach with your doctor's shirt, and uh, whatever conversations are occurring, keep on recording those conversations, of course with consent of concerned people, and record it in the mobile phone of doctor. Thereafter, the conversations can be uploaded to such this kind of file, this kind of app, and immediately the text version in digitalized format is created. So for saving patient's history, for deciding there is no medical negligence, etc., this can be really handy thing. Okay, and one more thing is that in our organization currently what we are doing is there are these separate small apps, but we can, just like Unix pipe philosophy, we can combine these many apps. For example, there is one another app which translates from one language to another, but it can translate text of one language to text of another language. So once this German text is generated here, we can immediately use that another app, and we can combine the functionality of the two apps in one app, so that then German is text is translated uh, into this English. Okay, so that is one application.